life. Ambition. I'm the hottest around there. Know it when they see you rolling them polys around.
I am fresh out the, well, I'm fresh out the sink. I deep conditioned and stuff. Everything that I use for this shampoo day will be down in the description bar. As you can see by the title, today we're going to be using my Holy freaking Grail wash and go products. Like, when I tell you this combination is completely life. Yes, so a couple of you guys has requested this video because I did have this wash and go in my previous video, I think. I don't know. I'll leave the thumbnail here and also in the little eye in the upper, what was it, left? What was this? Left corner. Alikay leave-in conditioner. We're going to just spray that all over my hair real quick so it doesn't dry out as I work in sections. And I actually really like that it's a spray, because I'm able to just quickly do that, you know. I know some people hate a spray, but you know what? Get over it. There's some things we don't like that actually works for us. You dig? The two things, again, like the title says, is my Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream. If you haven't seen this video of a wash and go by itself. And then I'm going to top it off with my Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Holded Styling Gel. I couldn't use this in the leave-in conditioner only by itself because it was drying, but the hold was fantastic. So if you want to skip the curling cream, you can. I have a video on that. I will leave it in the eye per usual. But I felt like I needed the leave-in conditioner, curling cream for moisture and, you know, some definition as well. And seal it with the amazing Hold It Gel. Now that that's on, I'm going to slightly wet it just a little bit to give the gel something to stick to. And then I'm going to apply my lemongrass Hold It gel. Make sure I get to my roots. And I literally just smooth it in. And then I do shingle because it clumps my curls ridiculously. And I know it looks like straight pieces to start, but it's gonna curl up. See, look. Straight pieces, but it's gonna curl up, I promise. That's like, I know I'm gonna get the best definition when my hair does that. And this is the only gel that I found that can smooth my roots down.
You can handle all this jelly that I have. Now let's cut her up while we shake. I'm about to break you out. Each time going hard. Beat my hips, let my thighs. Swing my hair, swing my eyes. Looking hot, smelling good. Grooving like I'm from the hood. Look over my shoulder, I blow your kiss. Can you handle this? Gotta do much better. Gon' dance with me tonight. Gotta work your jelly. Gon' dance with me tonight. Be my lips carefully if you like what you see. Move, go prove it can hang with me. By the lips, I got you shook up and scared of me. But go your seatbelt, it's time for take off. This jelly, oh, yeah. Cause my body too bootylicious for you, baby. For you, baby. For you, baby. Cause my body too bootylicious for you, baby. You're not ready. How many times I say you're not ready? Watch my booty shake like a fat lady's belly. My style so stank, I better bank you gon' smell me. Oh, you smell me, smells like money. When I come running, wow.
I do scrunch a little bit because this gel is a heavier gel. And if you have like more straighter hair pieces, kind of like me in the front, the gel could actually weigh it down. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Alright, so I am done. Waves on swam. This is what I've been doing. I put clips on the sides and the back. This is gonna be a slight stretch. It's still gonna curl up, but I just hope. Let's let this dry. I air dry now. This gel dries super fast. So the back of my hair, at least the ends, is already dry. So It's not gonna take me that long to dry. But anyways, I just want to come on real quick and show you guys what my hair looks like dry. It's like 2 in the morning, but it's like, if you ever had an Afro G 2-step protein treatment, then this is exactly how your hair feels. Hard. You can't move it.
Your body up and down, make your booty touch the ground. I can't help but wonder why.
So this is what it's looking like. I know I have massive shrinkage, but it is what it is. My hair was super duper crunchy, as you saw in that last clip. Like, my hair, the crunch is like unexplainable. Like, it's crazy. But I break my crunch by one of my favorite stretching methods. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave it in the eye and also in the description bar. As the days go on, my hair gets bigger and bigger, but still more defined. As you guys saw in that initial picture, the 4-day-old wash and go using this product. I'll leave the picture here. That was using this combination. So if you found this video helpful, definitely subscribe down below and hit that bell to be notified of more videos, and like this video as well. And I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.